The Redmi 6A comes in a sleek design with curved edges and features a 5.45-inch HD Plus screen for a good viewing experience. This phone comes in 4 color options: rose gold, black, blue and gold. This phone has a 2GB RAM and a 16GB internal memory, which can be expanded up to 256GB. The Redmi 6A has dual nano SIM slots. Both support 4G VoLTE capability. It has a 5.45-inch HD display, which makes it suitable for entertainment and playing light games. You can also unlock the phone instantly using the Face Unlock feature. The phone features a 13-megapixel rear camera with face focus, low-light photo enhancement and burst shooting, along with a 5-megapixel front camera for clicking good selfies. The Redmi 6A runs on Android Oreo and has a 2 GHz Mediatek Helio quad-core processor, which makes it suitable for light gaming and multitasking. This phone is powered by a 3000 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, warranty card, SIM ejector pin and a user guide. The Redmi 6A is made available through net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.
An Amazon exclusive.